Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech More. Today, I have an exciting topic to share with you all: how to connect your iPhone to your TV. Whether you want to watch your favorite YouTube videos, stream movies, or show off your photos to family and friends on a bigger screen, connecting your iPhone to the TV is a game changer. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check your TV and iPhone compatibility. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your TV has the necessary ports to connect your iPhone. Most modern TVs have HDMI ports, which work perfectly for this purpose. Additionally, you'll need an iPhone that supports screen mirroring or HDMI output. For this, you'll need an iPhone 7 or later. If you have an older iPhone, you can still try connecting, but you may need extra accessories. Step 2. Get the right cable or adapter. Next, you'll need the appropriate cable or adapter to connect your iPhone to the TV. If your TV has an HDMI port, you'll need a Lightning to HDMI adapter. There are both official Apple adapters and third-party options available, but I recommend using an MFI certified one for better reliability. Step 3. Connect iPhone to TV. Now that you have the necessary cable or adapter, let's connect your iPhone to the TV. Start by plugging one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your TV. If you're using an adapter, connect it to your iPhone's Lightning port. Step 4. Switch to the right HDMI input. With everything connected, use your TV remote to switch to the HDMI input where your iPhone is connected. It might be labeled as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Once selected, you should see your iPhone's screen displayed on the TV. Step 5. Adjust settings, if needed. Sometimes, the screen size might not be perfect or there could be black bars around the image. No worries, you can adjust the TV's aspect ratio or zoom settings to get the best fit. Additionally, check your iPhone settings for sound output if you want the TV to play audio as well. Step 6. Enjoy the experience. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now connected to the TV, and you can enjoy all your favorite content on a much larger screen. Whether it's streaming videos, playing games, or showcasing your latest photos, it's a fantastic way to share content with everyone. That's a wrap on today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in connecting your iPhone to the TV. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming!